So now I'm going to discuss about how to put condition in Google Form. Suppose you need many details and you need to put the condition so that you can get all the data easily, and user and also they can find the data, how to put the data, they can do these things easily. So open one Google Form. Suppose I need to get some basic info like student only. I am taking student info. So here I am going to choose choose class. Suppose class 5, 6, 7, like this. Three classes are there. You need to get the data, individual data from that. Suppose this one, like uh, say I'm giving you some basic detail of student. Suppose this one, basic detail of students. Put name, put number of students. Suppose put number of students. How many number of students got 60 percentage. Okay, got 60 percentage. This one I'm going to choose short answer, and see what I want. Basically, suppose user will click on class 5, then it will be redirected to this data. So I need to put one section here so that I can get the actual data of class 5. So add one section. I have added one section. Suppose here class wise report. Okay, see if I choose, suppose here also I need to put some. See here I am going to choose one this go to section based on answer. Once you click here you will get all this section based. Okay, suppose class 5, if it is okay, then go to section 2. Okay, now this one also section 2, this one also section 2. Okay, now we need to see that in user end what they will see. Let me check. Okay, fine. So choose class, suppose class 5. Next, see this section based has questions have come, like total student 100, 60 students got 60 percentage. Now submit it. Okay, another response, suppose class 6, Next value, suppose 100, 120, how many got? Suppose 70 got 60 percentage. Submit. Another response, suppose class 7. Next, put 140, then 80, suppose 80 got 60 percentage. Now submit it. Okay, fine. Now I'm going back to my Google form, that admin one. Okay, we need to check that that database exactly these values have come or not. Okay, so go to responses. See, 3 responses have come. Okay, here you see one green button is there, that is Google spreadsheet. Click here, then see create a new spreadsheet. Yes, so create it. See, these values have come, right? See, timestamp is given, choose class. See, exactly those values, okay, have come. Okay, fine. So basic detail, this put number of students 100, 60, 70, 80, like that the database have come. Okay, so you need to do in this way. Thank you.